Firstly, launch Finder app on your Mac. Now connect your iPhone to your Mac using Lightning connector. Now select your iPhone from the sidebar and hit this Trust button. Now go to your iPhone and select Trust option. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode to confirm. Now you should see your iPhone appearing in Finder app on your Mac. Now under Backup section, you want to select this option. Backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Now you can go ahead and take a backup. But this backup will be unencrypted and unsecured, which is not recommended. You should encrypt your backup because encrypted backup includes your saved passwords, health data, website history, and Wi-Fi settings. So to make sure you backup everything, you should encrypt your backup. So go ahead and select this checkbox, encrypt local backup. Now you want to create a new password to encrypt your iPhone backup. And I highly recommend to checkmark this option. Remember my password in keychain. This will store this encryption passcode in Apple keychain. And in case you forget it in future, you can recover it from Apple keychain. And also I want you to write it down and save this password somewhere safe because you cannot recover your data from this backup unless you know this password. So literally write it down and keep it safe. Now go ahead and hit set password. As soon as you hit this option, your Mac should start backing up your iPhone. Wait until this completes. And there you go. Your iPhone is backed up to your Mac on macOS Catalina. Next time when you connect your iPhone to your Mac, you just want to hit this backup now button to back up your iPhone to your Mac. And before you leave, one more thing. Make sure you unselect this checkbox and hit apply. This will prevent your iPhone from backing up to your Mac accidentally. Because if you have this checkbox selected, Finder will override your old backup every time you connect your iPhone to your Mac. And this will be very dangerous if you want to restore your iPhone from old backup. So make sure this checkbox is unselected. And that's all you need to know to back up your iPhone on macOS Catalina. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.